DJI usually keeps its secrets locked behind heavy doors, but something just slipped through the cracks. If you've been waiting for the next big thing in the drone world, stop what you're doing. New images and listings for the DJI Avata 360 have surfaced online, and they're shaking up everything we thought we knew. This isn't just a blurry photo from a distance. We're talking full pre-order listings that briefly went live at a major US retailer. On the surface, it seems like a simple mistake, but if you look closer, a much bigger story emerges. The leak shows us DJI's strategy and intent for the Avata 360. The drone is closer than anyone expected, and it's shaping up to dominate the FPV market again. The Avata 360 isn't launching with a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, DJI is offering multiple bundles. Stripped-back bundle, for pros who already own DJI gear. You get the drone, spare propellers, mounting screws, and a USB-C cable. No goggles, no controller, no carrying case. DJI expects experienced users to bring their own setup. Ready-to-fly bundle, for casual FPV fans who want to fly immediately. This includes goggles, a motion controller, multiple batteries, and charging gear. Open the box, and you're ready to go. Fly More bundle, the ultimate package for creators. Everything from the standard bundle plus more batteries, a dedicated charging hub, a structured carrying case, and premium goggles for extended flying sessions. Interestingly, none of these bundles include a traditional RC-style controller. Motion control seems to be the centerpiece, showing DJI wants to appeal to both casual and hardcore FPV pilots while keeping the ecosystem flexible. Now, here's where you need to be careful. These pre-orders came from a retailer that isn't an authorized DJI dealer. That's a massive red flag. The listings hint at international units, maybe already opened or activated. Warranty coverage is uncertain, and software may not match the final retail release. Pricing is another shocker. Early rumors pegged it around $1,000, but these listings show prices close to $1,800. That's likely an early listing premium, but it's still a warning. Don't rush to buy. The DJI Avata 360 looks like a masterclass in drone design. Multiple bundles show DJI is listening to the community, making it accessible for everyone from beginners to pros. But patience is key. Waiting for DJI's official announcement ensures you get real bundles, accurate pricing, full warranty and long-term support. Getting it first isn't worth the risk when the official launch will be so much clearer. The Avata 360 is coming, and it's going to shake up the FPV space. If you want to see the full power of this drone as soon as DJI lifts the curtain, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video. What do you think about that $1,800 price tag, placeholder or reality? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.